Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 5 of how to crochet this gorgeous roses flowers curtain. Okay, so I just wanted to lay this out on my garden here. I have a huge garden, and then it looks so tiny, this curtain here, but it's it's not actually. It's pretty wide. But yeah, when I'm crocheting and doing the tutorial, it's really hard for me to lay it down. But I said to myself, the best way to lay it down is going to be on my backyard. Okay, so we started from here, and then we're right where the markers are. You can see the blue marker and the pink marker. So we're right in the middle of the bow, as you can see, going down. So row 35, I think 35 or 36. I need to check my notes. I'm writing it down. I'm recounting every time because sometimes I skip, I notice, when I'm doing the tutorial. So we're going to crochet all the way to here. Just checking all the way to here, to this part, and the rest is symmetric. So whichever we did here is going to be done on this side. It's just this leaf is a little bit different compared to that one over there. So I will finish that part. I don't know. Maybe I'll just do the entire curtain just to be on the safe side. Meanwhile, well, I am going to be crocheting it, so it's better to just do the tutorial, right? So on this video, I wanted to show you and lay it out how it looks like. Should have done that on part 1, right? Well, sometimes we're human beings, we don't think clear enough. Yeah, this is the bow on the top. Gives that wonderful, wonderful look. This pattern, I saw this in 1990s when I was in Turkey. It was on the newspaper, and I cut that clip. When I find it, I will share it on my Instagram page, or I will put it on the community. I don't know. I will do something just to show the clip. It's the same, I believe. It looks like. When you look at it, yeah, closely, it looks like these flowers are not the same as there, right? So I'll just do the entire curtain. I just noticed that. It should be symmetric, but it's not. Looks like what they did is they just did this part the same as that part over there and then made it. So this part is totally different here. Yeah, when I find the original graphic, it's a tiny, like a little tiny piece that I cut. And the box were really hard to count. I think it's the same. I don't know. That's why I fell in love with this, and I said, let me order this. But what she did is, it's not wide enough for my windows, because my windows are pretty long, wide. See what I mean? They're pretty wide compared to that. Even my kitchen, they look tiny, but they're not. They're pretty wide. And I have, I don't know, a couple of windows like this, the same wideness. The length, I wouldn't care, because it looks nice, right? That's not a crochet, the edges are crocheted though. It's done on a old machine, embroidery. Okay, so I am going to continue crocheting. I'm trying to explain every step. If you miss it, like I said, I am showing, so I'm just copying what I see here, and I'm going back and forth like this. And yeah, so I think on part 4 I left it somewhere there, so I did continue until I got really tired. And yeah, it's not easy to do a tutorial. I just want to point out, especially for a big item like this. I did do lots of errors, and I tried to fix it, but you know, we're a human being, so I'm not perfect, so please bear with me and just follow what you see. And we're on the half of the bow right there, so I don't know, it's not half done yet, but slowly it is becoming. Yeah, so So continue watching and stay tuned. Okay, so just gonna pull this up again, and then we'll talk upstairs in my craft room. So I'm gonna be crocheting like this all the way. It goes back and forth, and then it gives this nice, see, that's the reason we're doing the increases now. And then when we come to the half point, we're going to do decreases, and then again we're going to do increases, and we give this nice, you can leave it the way that I'm going to do it. I don't know if I have enough thread. I will do fridges like this, and that's going to be a separate tutorial as well. So stay tuned, and please bear with me. I think this is going to be turning out fantastic. As you can see, it's longer, perfect, because she did triple. She pulled it by 4, I think. I don't know, 4 or 3, 2, 2, 2 she pulled it. But I'm just doing the regular double crochet because the cotton yarn, and I'm not a fond of the cotton yarn, unfortunately. It does definitely separates a lot. Okay, so I will see you guys. Let me show you one more time. Everyone can crochet this. New beginners, years of crocheting people, everyone can do it. Just follow step by step. It's just magnificent, isn't it? I just love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we're on row 35, and I believe I left you, yes, part 4 around here. So I just continued crocheting, followed, and I am right here, I believe. Let me just double check. Yes, I did the eyelet here, and then so what I'm going to do is, here there is 3 fillets I'm going to be filling right there. So chain 3. So I am right there, and then I'm going to chain 3, skip 2. On the 3rd, make a double crochet, chain 3, skip 2 on the 3rd, so right here. I didn't want to put the marker because then it's blocking. Okay, I'm just checking here. And after making 1, 2, 3 fillets here, we're going to do 4 double crochet, and then we're going to fill in that 3 chains, so 2 double crochet right in there, and then 1 on the right here, and then I'm just going to continue crocheting, fill this 2, and then make 1, 2, 3, so 9 double crochets there. Oops, what did I do? No, I went high. Not 36, we're still here. Oh. So here, let me just put the marker on. I think I skipped. What did I do? Okay, so here, yeah, I was right. So let me just put the marker so I won't get lost. So I make 1, 2, 3, 4. So after filling here, I am going to make 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, and then fill this part. And then when we're coming towards the end, 1, 2, 3, after filling, we do 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain. Make this a little bit closer. And then what we do is row 35 again. So we crochet from here to where this eyelet is here. See? We do 3 chain, we skip 2, and then we continue crocheting, and then we fill this part. Okay, so I will meet you right here, and then I will continue crocheting. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am right here. I finished this part, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make fillets right there. This is the middle of the flower, and then I am going to chain 3, skip 2, make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, skip 2 on the third, make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, and then make a double crochet. And then I'm going to be filling all the way from here to here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 3 and then make 7 double crochets. So fill these 2, and I'm going to continue crocheting all the way to the end, and then come back right here. So we're going to start row 36 and then make a double crochet on top of this, and then fill all the way here to less. Okay, so I will meet you around here, okay, on row 36. Okay, so I am right here where I left you guys. So I did do my 3 chain, and then I filled that first space that you see where the pink marker is. So 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet, just show you what I'm doing, and then 2 on the 3 chain and 1 on the double crochet, and I chain 3 here just to show you, so there's a space between, and then we're going to make double crochets all the way okay. So I'm going to make the double crochets all the way here, and then we're going to continue crocheting what you see. So I fill this part all the way here. Let me get this a little bit closer. And then after here we do 3 chain, we fill this part, and then 4 double crochets here, so total of 7. 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, and we fill these 2 here, and then we can come all the way here. Okay, so I will meet you here because we need to fill this part, and this part, and then make 3 chain, and then continue on. Okay, you can't see me because I'm at the other side. Here, I was explaining right here. So I will meet you here, and then we'll go from there. So this is row 36 still. Okay, so I am right here. I have crocheted. Now I'm going to do fillets, as you can see. And then after that, this is the, I'm coming here, make a double crochet, 3 chain, make 4 double crochets, 3 chain, and then from here we're going to crochet all the way to the end. Okay, to the end, and then after that just crochet all the way and then turn back. So come here and crochet one less, and then crochet one less up to here. Okay, let me just put the marker, and after that make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet, 3 chain, and then fill this part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then continue making double crochets right here up to here, and then double crochet. So 2, 6, total of 6. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start crocheting double crochets again. Oops, sorry. Accident. Oh my goodness, I'm a really accurate place right here. Sorry about that. Well, it happens, right? Yeah, accidents happen. We can't change that. Oh boy, sorry. Okay, everything is I don't edit my videos, so what happens is what you're going to see. Okay, I was right here, and then I am going to, so I will meet you somewhere here, because we're going to make double crochets after here, 3 chain double crochets 4 times. We did 6 times here, 4 times here, and then we make double crochets up to here. Okay, and so I will meet you at the end of the curtain, the edge of the curtain. Okay, we're going to start doing our just checking decreases. Yeah, this row we're going to start doing our decreases. Okay, so I will meet you right here somewhere. Okay, so I have crocheted all the way here. Just double checking. Oh no, actually I crocheted all the way here, and I'm going to fill this, and I'm going to make 4, and then I am just crocheting this part, and then I will make those eyelets. A lot of double crochets. Okay, I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to be crocheting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fill this all the way here, and then make this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one less here, and then crochet this part right up there, and then come all the way to the end, crochet this part. So from here we're going to crochet all the way here equal, and then 3 chain, and then I believe 7 double crochets here, and then 3 chain, 4 double crochets, 3 chain, 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet, 3 chain, and then fill this. So there should be 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we finish all the way to the end right here, finish it, and when we're turning we're going to do a decrease. Okay, so I will meet you right there at the end to make a decrease. As you can see, the chain, it's giving me a decrease. I'll be right back.